Hi Alberto, I want to analyze one game more, and this is also one of better of your game. You was white. This is normal moves, okay. And you play now bishop e2. I think in one game you play bishop c4 and then bishop b3, and now bishop e2. I think it's better to put your bishop on e2. Now you don't need to play f3 because your bishop is here, and you can play bishop e3, just what you play, and f4 of course. Also you can play f4 after c4 c5, sorry, and then you can play f4 and also what you play always, knight f3 and the rest. You can also play c4 c3 and d4 then, but you can play this, you know how to play that, and I'm completely satisfied what I saw in this game. And now f4, okay. A3 I don't understand because you don't have bishop on c4, and I think a3 is you don't need to play that. Maybe in some variation you need to play a3 because your bishop is on c4 and his knight is on f6, and when he play a6, maybe it's no, a6 he play many moves like before, but in this when his knight is on f6 and your bishop is on c4, maybe he treats to play b5, and when you play, but now hang knight on c6, okay, he exchange, you take with bishop, and then maybe b5, and when you play bishop b3 b4, and you need to move your knight, and pawn on e4 will hang. Just I want to show this just to know that maybe you that can be happen in your game, so just for that. So b5 will be with tempo because your bishop will be attacked, and you need to move that bishop, and then b4, and your knight is on attack, and he will take your pawn. So a3 maybe in some of that variation, but now I think you waste your time. You could play f5, what you play in game. I like that move. Maybe you give some square for his knight, and probably it's the best square where can he puts his knight, because knight will be active on e5, and when he castle, it's hard to push one more your pawn on f6, but he exchange knights, and you take with queen. I don't know why, but I see that that move can be played because you won this game, and I don't see anything bad in this position, so for me it's natural move in this position to take with bishop, and for me I will always take with bishop. Why? I don't know. I think that it's too early to put my queen in center, because probably he will play some moves with tempo when he attacks my queen, so I don't want to expose my queen for such a scenario. Okay, but you find some fine space, fine square for your queen. And now you play rook to f3. I mentioned that in some analyses on your games, and I like that move very much, because now your rook try to do something on king side, and you can double rooks, and who knows what can be positive from that moves. But also you defend something on queen side, and many positive things can be you can do it with that move. I like that. And now he play knight to c5. I don't know why. Probably it's better. And also I need to tell you that um, uh, this move, bishop c3, I think it's bad move, because um, that bishop can defend his king, and he needs to hold this bishop. So probably in this position it's better to play knight e5, and probably the position is equal, or something, equal chance to attack. He can attack you on queen side, and you will attack he on king side, and who knows what will happen. But when he give his bishop, your chance to attack him is pretty much big. And after knight c5 he move his knight from some defensive mission to active mission, but on other part of the table. I don't like that, and you defend that pawn, and after b6, which is also mistake for him, you play wonderful move, very nice, f6. When I saw that, I was thinking how you nice playing this game, and I see also many positive things, and many moves what I like in your game, and what can I say? I'm happy. And he continued to play on the other side, maybe other side on the table, and you take advantage of that. Yes, and you calculate that probably knight g3. When he needs to play g6, he takes, and now is check, but he can't defend checkmate. You threat knight queen to h6, and this game is over. What can I say? Bravo. That's it for today.